Traders, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be very exciting and very important. In this video, I will be discussing how to analyze stocks, what is the trend, where is the support and resistance. Once you master this technique, you will soon start to see profits in your trade. With this, let's start the video. For today's educational video, I have taken Emaar Properties as our stock. We will see how the trend is, how it moves, where the support and resistance is, and also how to take the trades. If you are learning something out of this video and if it is helpful, please do not forget to smash the like button and also subscribe this channel for daily updates. So let's understand something very basic first. Markets or stocks move in three phases. Let's understand those three phases in detail before we proceed any further. Right. So market when makes higher highs and higher lows is said to be in an uptrend. When the market makes lower highs, lower lows is said to be in a downtrend. Market is said to be in sideways when the price moves within a range. There is no definite trend. So I recommend new traders to stay away when the market is in this phase and in down phase. Always trade when the market is in an uptrend. So how do we identify a trend? Let's start. Market was here, it made a high, it came back again for a correction, again it made a high, it came back for a correction, again it made a high. Now pay attention very closely. If you master this concept, soon you will see profits increasing in your trades. Right, so you can see this is a low. Market made a new low right over here. So this is the old low and this is the new low. So it's making higher lows. So this is higher lows and this is the old high. This is the new high. So market is making higher highs now. This was the old high. This is the new high. That's the reason it says market when makes higher highs and higher lows is in an uptrend. I hope this is very clear, guys. If it is not clear, please watch it again and again till you are satisfied 100%. Similarly, let's see how market works in a downtrend. So market was here, it came down, it went for a correction, again it came down, it went for a correction, again it came down. So a typical definition of a downtrend market is it starts to make lower lows and lower highs. So this is the old low and this is the new low. Old low is this one, new low is this one. So it's making lower lows. This low is lower than this low. This was the old high, this is the new high. Old high, new high. So it's making lower highs, means highs are getting lower. So guys, once again, when the market is in an uptrend, it makes higher highs and it makes higher lows. When the market is in a downtrend, it makes lower lows and lower highs. I hope this concept is very clear. Please watch it again and again till you are 100% confident. So let's see this concept in Emaar Properties now. This is Emaar Properties daily chart. As you can see on the top left, it's mentioned here, and this is the daily chart. So we will implement whatever we have learned so far, how to analyze the trend. We will move down to 3 hours so that we can see candlesticks properly and more clearly so we can analyze the trend. Let me adjust the chart so that I can show you how to implement the same concept that we have learned. Alright. So as we can see at a glance, market is clearly in a downside. It's in a downtrend. But how do we analyze as per our concept? This is very important. So pay attention, guys. In a downtrend, it makes lower lows and lower highs. So when the market is in a downtrend, we just have to identify where are the lower lows and where are the lower highs. So we start from here as this is the place where the downtrend have started. So it made a low, it went back again for a correction, it made a high. It again came down, made a low, again it came back for a correction, making a lower high. Again it came down, making a lower low, and it again came back for a correction, making a lower high. So this is exactly and a very clear definition of a downtrend. let me move this one here. You can see it came down here, made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is how to identify a downtrend. Now let's apply the similar concept when the market is in an uptrend. Again, Emaar Properties 3 hours chart. Let me adjust this one. Now we will look for a uptrend. In an uptrend, market makes higher highs and higher lows. So when we are identifying an uptrend, we want to see market making higher highs and higher lows. Market was here, it made a high, it came down again for a correction. Market was here, it made a high, it came down again for a correction. Again it went up, made a new high. Again it came down for a correction, again it made a new high. So guys, you're understanding the concept. When the market makes higher high, higher lows, you can see this low is higher than this one. And this high is higher than this high. So clearly it's in an uptrend. This is how you identify a trend. I hope it's very clear. If you do not understand anything, please do comment below so that I can clarify your doubts and you can master this concept. By now we know how to analyze the trend, how to identify a trend. Now we will see how support and resistance work and how to take the trades. I will not go very deep into it as I want to make a separate detailed video so that you can understand in detail. This video was basically how to analyze and identify a trend. Right, support and resistance are walls where the price comes and it reacts to it. In this Emaar Properties, as you can see, this is Emaar Properties daily chart, I can see crucial and very important support and resistance level. First one is right over here, this line. The second one is right over here. As you can see, when the price comes at this level, it gets rejected. It comes down again, it took support at this level. Now this is the support level for the market. When it wants to break this resistance level, it cannot break with a small candle. You see, there are no buyers here. Now it broke the resistance line with this huge long candle. This is called breaking of resistance. Again, when it comes down, it retests it. Failure, it goes down again and retests the previous support. This is where you have to enter your trade. Let me show you how. We know this is the support level in the market. It was previously respected. When the market goes up, you wait for it to come down. That is the reason I say, guys, you cannot become a trader overnight. You have to stock the stock. S-T-A-L-K. Stock the stock till it comes down to your level. Wait for it to come to your level. Give you a setup. What is a setup? Setup is mostly candlestick patterns. I will make another video on that. But as of now, we will learn support and resistance. So market supported here, it respected the level. Again, when it comes, it have made a dodgy candle. Dodgy candle and a gap up is a candlestick pattern showing bullseye here. You enter your trade right at this candle, go long. This was the resistance. Previously, as you can see, right over here, it got resisted. Resistance broken. Again, it came down. It respected, but it failed. Right here, when it came to the resistance level, it gapped up. You can see the market have gapped up. It did try to break again, but could not. As resistance, when it's tested again and again, becomes weaker. Bulls got accumulated here. Now it's going higher. Again, you can see this level, it got respected over here. This happens again and again in the market. This is not rocket science technology. You just need to eye train yourself. Once you have an eye training on this one, you can identify support and resistance level. So where do you enter your trade? You have already entered here, you exit at resistance right at this level. Why do you want to take chances? Sell your stocks, book your profit. Again, when it comes to this level, enter your trade again. Now today, you can see this is right at the resistance level. If you have entered the trade right at the support level, right here, where it got respected, now it's time to exit the trade as it's at the resistance. Market can go up, no doubt, market can even go down. But why take chances? Book your profits here. Once it crosses this resistance level, comes back to retest, you can enter again. That's it guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to smash the like button. If you like my videos, subscribe the channel. That's it guys, thanks for watching, keep stocking.